In front of me is Blackshock gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again, this time to choose Vibration and Haptics, and use this switcher next to use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on, or turn them off. If you decided you don't want to enable them, you can also tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Notification, alarm, touch, and media. Now, when you're finished with all of those, scroll after going back and tap on those two switchers as well to switch on or off charging sounds and vibration, and last but not least, always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!